We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this 7x14 foot dump trailer with 4-foot sides. This is a telescopic dump trailer. Have the cylinder here. We have your hydraulic box here, as well as your battery and your remote. This comes with an adjustable coupler, jack, and safety chains. This is a tandem axle. It does come with two Greaseable 7,000-pound axles. It does have brakes on the rear. They are 16-inch wheels and tires. Here we have the loading ramps that do attach to the side of the trailer. This does have stake pockets along the sides. This does have your barn doors for dumping. It is fully wired with LED drive lights. You have your stabilizer jacks.